All right, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. Today's project is going to be on this little guy right here. This is a rear bumper protector for my 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install this. I purchased mine off of eBay and I think it was like $30, $40, give or take. But before we start, I'm going to show you something. 3M. If you don't know too much about this company, they make some really good adhesive tape. Once you peel this white tape off and you bond that adhesive to whatever it needs to be, whatever project it is, this project or any other project, that 3M tape will stick. All right, what I mean by that is you just can't just peel it back up and then lay it back down, peel it back up, lay it back down. So with this, take your time, be precise, follow step by step what I'm doing, and you'll be fine. So with that being said, let's get to it. All right, so here we are. I think this is going to be the best angle to actually show you what I'm trying to do here. The surface, I already cleaned it, dried it off, and then I used some alcohol to ensure whatever remaining grease or dirt, debris, whatever was on there is totally off. So when I do put this adhesive on here, it actually bonds to it. So to start out with this one right here, let's see if I can kind of get up close. Yep, right here, there's a little arrow. So this arrow needs to be in line pretty much with your latch right here. So that's a good reference point right there. Before you actually start peeling the tape off and all that, just make sure it lines up and everything fits. Now the way this one goes, this one does have a little overlap right here, but that's the way it's meant to be. So either way, we're going to start out from the center, and then we're going to work our way to one side, and then we're going to work our way to the other side. Now the only thing is, and I still got to prep this real quick, they have a whole strip of tape, so they're not cut into sections. So what I'm going to do is, so I know this is going to exactly stick where I want it to stick it, or stick at, is I'm going to take a little blade and I'm just going to do a little cut so I can just peel section by section off and then work my way to each side. So, but yeah, really simple. Just the best way I would do it is, and this is the way I'm going to do it is, I'm just going to do each section, then place it down, then peel it off, then so on and so forth, and do each one. All right, so I already did this first side. I guess unfortunately, I guess my camera decided to take a nice little pause. I'm kind of glad I looked at it, but just to show you, this is very simple to install. All right. Again, I still haven't done this side yet, so I still can show you that. But again, from here on over, that's installed. And then just to show you, I mean, it's pretty even. All right. Again, this is not a molded one. You're going to have to mold this in to the vehicle, and you're going to see here what I'm talking about once I get to this side. All right, so now to this side. This side is already secure. We're good with this one. Now I'm going to start on this one. So as you're going to see, I'm going to peel it off, and then I'm just going to like push slightly on it inboard towards the vehicle and then down at the same time. All right, now firmly just press down on it to ensure it sticks. And that's it. All right, so there you go from start to finish. Installing that rear bumper protector for a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. Now, if you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you got a comment, question, just down below, just leave it in the comment section. And then last but not least, hit that subscribe and follow button. Other than that, YouTube, until next time, take it easy.